Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 2.6 linear equation in one variable. So let's begin with question number 5. Now in question number 5 we have 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equals to minus 4 upon 3. So what we have to do? We have to do the cross multiplication. That means we have to multiply this 3 with this binomial term, and this binomial term we have to take it to this side. So and this binomial we have to take it to this side. So like this, we have to do cross multiplication. So we'll bring this 3 towards this side. So it will look like 3 into 7y plus 4 is equals to minus 4 into y plus 2. Y plus 2. Okay. Now we have to open the bracket. 3 into 7y, 21y, plus is plus. 3 into 4 is 12. Then minus 4 into y will get minus 4y. Minus plus is minus. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to bring the variable terms towards left hand side, and we have to take the constant terms towards right hand side. So 21y plus 4y, it was minus, it will become plus. Now we'll write this first, minus 8, and this plus 12. When it will go to right hand side, it will become minus. Okay, so 21y plus 4y will get 25y is equals to minus 20, as because minus is plus. 12 plus 8 is 20. Which number is greater? 12. It is carrying minus sign, so we have given minus sign over here. So we'll take 25 towards this side, so it will look like 20 upon 25. Now we'll reduce these two numbers. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So your final answer would be y equals to minus 4 upon 5. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 5, students. Now let's move on to sum number 6. Question number 6. Now I'm going to read out question number 6. Now it is a problem sum. So it is said the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. So ages. So Hari is to Harry. Okay, their ages are in the ratio 5:7. 5:7. So I mentioned earlier also, when you see that any term which is in the ratio term, what exactly you have to do? You have to let the terms as, suppose if it is written as 3:2, you will let the first term as 3x and the second term as 2x. So in this way we will also let the Hari's age be 5x and Harry's age be 7x. So let Hari's age be 5x and Harry's age be 7x. Okay, now we'll move on to the next line. In the next line it is written 4 years from now. So after 4 years, so we'll write this statement after 4 years. Okay, after 4 years. So after 4 years, what will be Harry's age and what would be Hari's age and what will be Harry's age? So we'll write it down. Hari's age. Hari's age after 4 years will be what? If this is present age of Hari, so what will be the age of Hari after 4 years? Obviously we have to add 4. That is 5x plus 4. Similarly, Harry's age would be what? This is the present age of Harry's. So after 4 years, his age will become what? 7x plus 4. Okay. So this is Harry's age after 4 years. Okay, that is 5x plus 4. And 7x plus 4 is Harry's age after 4 years. Now we'll proceed with the question. After 4 years, that is 4 years from now, the ratio of the ages will be 3:4. That means Harry's age after 4 years by Hari's age after 4 years by Harry's age after 4 years would be equals to 3 is to 4. So we'll write 80Q. So this age 5x plus 4, that is Hari's age after 4 years, by Harry's age after 4 years, that will be 7x plus 4. The ratio will be what? 3 is to 4, that is 3 upon 4. So this is a required equation, boys. So from here we'll put this 2 inside the bracket as they are the binomial terms. Now we'll do the cross multiplication. Students, okay. Now 4 will be multiplied with this binomial. So it will look like 4 into 5x plus 4. That would be equals to 3 into, we'll take this binomial term towards this side. So it will look like 7x plus 4. Okay, now we'll open the bracket. 4, 5 is 20x plus 16, 21x plus 12. Fine, so we'll bring this variable terms towards left hand side and we'll take this constant terms towards right hand side. So it will look like 20x minus 21x, that would be equals to 12 minus 16. So 20x minus 21x would be what? Minus x. 12 minus 16 will come minus 4. So both the side they are carrying the minus sign. So we'll cancel this to minus side and the value of x would be what? X would be 4. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out their present age. That means Hari's age and Harry's age. So what will the ages, boys? Now see, Hari's age would be what? Hari's age would be what? 5 into x, that means 5 into 4. 5 into 4, that is 20 years. Okay, 20 years. So let me just adjust the video a little bit. Yes, 20 years. And what would be Harry's age? Harry's age would be 7 into 4. 7 into 4, that would be 28 years. Okay, so this is the final answer or solution of question number 6. Fine, so let's move on to sum number 7. Question number 7. Now in the first sentence it is written, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. That means denominator is 8 more than the denominator. Okay, so this is the relation they have showed. Denominator is 8 more than the numerator. In the first sentence they have said like this. Now we do not know what is the denominator also and numerator also. So what we let so if we know the numerator, we can easily know the denominator also, isn't it? So let the numerator be x. So denominator will be what? So we'll put the value of x here. So denominator would be equals to 8 plus x. Okay. So when numerator is x, denominator is 8 plus x. Okay. Now let's move on to the next sentence. So yes, now if we know the numerator and the denominator, what will be the required rational number then? So required rational number will look like what? Numerator by denominator, that is x by 8 plus x, isn't it? 8 by 8 plus x. So once we know the value of x, we can find the rational number also. Okay, so we have to find it out. But first of all, we have to find the value of x. Now how to get that? Let's move on to the second sentence. If the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, now new numerator. Now what they are saying? If the numerator is increased by 17, so it was x, now the new numerator become what? More plus, that means we have to add 17 more to the previous numerator. So it is looking like now x plus 17. And the new denominator would be 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. That means it was 8 plus x. Now we'll subtract 1 from it. So these two are like terms. So 8 minus 1 is what? 7. 7 plus x. So this is our new denominator and this is our new numerator. Fine. So now they are saying the rational number will become 3 by 2. Again I am reading the sentence. If the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. So we will write according to the question, numerator by denominator, that is x plus 17 by 7 plus x now will become 3 by 2. Okay, so this is the required equation, boys. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to do the cross multiplication. So now 2 will be multiplied with this binomial. So we'll put it inside the bracket. So 2 into x plus 17, that would be equals to 3 into 7 plus x. Okay. Now let's open the bracket. 2 into x is 2x. We'll put the plus sign here. 2 into 17 is 34. And 3 into 7 is 21. We'll put the plus sign here. 3 into x is 3x. Now what we have to do? We have to bring this variable terms to us left hand side and we will take this constant terms to us right hand side. So it will look like 2x minus 3x. That would be equals to 21 minus 34. Okay. Now what will happen? 2x minus 3x will give you minus x. 21 minus 34. So what answer should I get? What answer should I get? 34 minus 21. 3 and 1. 13. So minus 13. Now we'll reduce this to subtraction sign. Now finally what is the answer then? X equals to 13. But this is not the final answer, students. This is not the final answer. It's because what we have to find out? We have to find out the rational number. So what was the required rational number? This was the required rational number, isn't it? Now we'll put the value of x here. So required rational number, that would be equals to x by 8 plus x. Now what is the value of x? 13. And 8 plus 13. So it would be 13 by 21. So this is the answer. Fine. This is the final solution of question number 7. So that's it for today. So thank you so much. God bless you all and take care all of you.